Hey everybody, it's Adam from UTVrides.com. In this video, which is gonna be epic, seriously gonna be epic. Don't even think about clicking off of this. So we're gonna install the Can-Am Maverick X3 Max 4-piece lower door panels from Kemimoto. One quick moment here, there is on their website, it says verbatim, it says it comes with all hardware and everything you need for fast and free, easy install. No drilling or modifying your stock doors required. They simply bolt on. Which is mostly true. Yep, they were pretty easy to do. Not too bad to do, but there is one spot, and you'll notice that I skipped a bolt because on the rear doors there are some rivets that you would need to drill out to get to a bolt hole to put on the door. So I skipped that. We're gonna see how long they last without it. If it ends up being an issue, then I'll drill out those rivets and I'll put it on correctly. Hey everybody, it's Adam from UTV Rides. Today it's finally warm enough, so we are gonna be installing some lower doors on the Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. We got these lower doors from Kemimoto. We're gonna test them out, put them on, see how easy it really is, and then we'll give you a discount down here in the description. I'm really hoping there's some instructions in the box. All right. Oh, first glance, because I know you guys think these things are all made in China, which they probably all are made in China. But that is a solid piece. It has a weather strip along the bottom, metal frame, and then it's got the screws on here. So we're gonna mount these up, see how hard it really is, and then go from there. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, that machine is dirty, and you're right. I didn't have time to wash it after putting it away the last time I rode it, 'cause it's been freezing up until recently. And while it's not as cool as doing it, the epic Razor from Bikes and Beards, it's pretty cool, and it's gonna be awesome, especially when I get my wheels on a little bit later this week. And in theory, so these ones are our front door, lower doors. These ones, if correct, should be our back doors, lower doors. Does look correct. So yeah, looks like same build quality. Nice, big, tight doors. So, okay, we're gonna guess our way through this now. You ready for this, Summer?
Sure.
That's confidence right there. All right, first off, you're gonna need a 10mm wrench, but gotta take these little things off here. The top one is that star that comes with, or that torque spit that comes with your Can-Am to basically take the whole thing apart. Take these off. I'm going to drop them on the ground. If I was really cool, I'd use a ratchet, but I figured we'd just do this with hand tools. Boom, and it's off. Okay, so we got our new door here. It comes with these screws and everything put where they're supposed to be, and it matches up exactly with these factory holes in the Can-Am. So I'm going to take these out, screw them into here, and should have worked perfect. And in just a second, I'll show you what it looks like. Number one is done. this bolt and this bolt, pretty easy. This bolt is shorter and there's a little gap back here, sort of a pain in the butt, but you can do it. I have faith in you. And then once you get it up, get them nice and firm and tight. I might go slightly firmer on that. And I might see a gap here that I need to fix. But then after that, it just closes and it actually looks really good. It's solid. It feels the same as the factory door. So, yeah. So easy, you can have your 16-year-old daughter do it. Door one is complete. She takes that off. Let's go show her what looks like. Can-Am's a mess because it was winter time and too cold to wash it outside when I got done last time. That looks pretty slick, that little thing. The only thing that's going to look better is when I dress that up with some UTV Rides stickers. If you've got cool stickers you want to share with me, send them my way. Alright everybody, they are done. All went good except for I managed to strip one of the high quality crafted bolts that came with it and had to cut it off, and then I just reused one of the Can-Am bolts that I took off. But all in all, pretty good job. It's going to look better here in just a second when I add a couple small stickers. So all in all, not a bad job to do. Since I bent my rock rails up a little bit, they didn't close quite as smooth. I got to kind of lift up slightly, but if you didn't, get great usage out of these like I do, then you'd probably be just fine. Okay, so full disclosure, when it comes to these back doors, and I'm going to show you here right now, there's a bolt that goes right in here, and I didn't have a tool to take these rivets out, because those are not just your typical, those are actual metal rivets, it looks like. No drilling or modifying your stock doors required. They're not just those little pop rivets that come in most of them. So I skipped that one, but they're secure in the back with just this bolt here, and this bolt here. And they don't rattle or anything, and they move nice and good. So far, I recommend them. All right, so here we go. Lower doors are in everywhere. Got the daughter behind the wheel. Got a video of this Kemimoto tablet holder. Works really good. We're gonna go take it for a cruise around the block and see how these doors work. So let's go. All right, so we've got YouTube, we've got Facebook, we've got Instagram, but did you know that we have our own UTVrides.com community? It can be found at community.UTVrides.com, and it's set up for groups and a community so people can go on, make friends, post their stuff, share stuff, do whatever. And our goal is just kind of fighting back maybe a little bit against censorship, but we wanted to have our own off-road community where people can come and not have to deal with all the other crap, but they can just focus on off-road stuff. And it's pretty awesome. We're building a nice little community out there. So come join us, community.UTVrides.com.